Hi, I'm coming from Myra Media.
Okay.
Actually, I am one kind of an YouTuber. Like, I would like to show you all milkshakes, best restaurants in Hyderabad, and everything. So, I want to see what is the best milkshakes in your store. Hi viewers, welcome to Myra Media, and today I am Pedikeshwar, and today I am in Frozen Bottles, Madhapur. And guys, I want to show you some special milkshake in frozen bottle, and along with us Mr. Mandeep is there, so we'll have a small chat with him. Hi Mandeep, how are you?
Fine, sir.
Yeah, tell me Mandeep, like milkshakes means I can really talk about a talk of the town is frozen bottle. So how about frozen bottle, and what kind of all milkshakes you have actually?
Okay, this frozen bottle main brand of Bangalore,
Okay.
and now recently we opened in Hyderabad 3 branches.
Okay.
One is row number 10, one is row number 36,
Okay.
one is Gachivali.
Okay. So milkshakes means there is having a special like taste of Hyderabadis. Most of them like milkshakes a lot actually. So which is the best one of frozen bottle which you give the special milkshake to all Hyderabadis actually?
So frozen bottle main is popular for milkshakes and
Okay.
nutty ice cream jars.
Okay.
This is our menu.
Okay. Okay. So this is your menu. It's very good. And which one you can show to all of the viewers? And what is that nutty chocolate exactly?
In chocolate flavor, I will suggest nutty chocolate.
Okay.
It's making with two type of ice cream,
Okay.
and especially some chocolate sauce and nuts.
Okay.
And milk is a very good flavor.
Okay.
Okay, I will suggest to try.
Oh, super, very nice. Nutty chocolate. Now you are going to see, guys, it is a combination of two ice creams and nuts and whatnot. I think it's time to show you the exact recipe of nutty chocolate. Let's watch it.
ये मिल्की स्पेशल है, मिल्की स्पेशल आइसक्रीम है। ये बेल्जियम डार्क आइसक्रीम है, बेल्जियम डार्क। थोड़ा चॉकलेट सॉस। और थोड़ा नट्स। ये चॉकलेट सॉस है।
So guys, I think you are really enjoyed the video, and you're watching the total making of milkshake. And now here is nutty chocolate, and you can see, really fragrance. Wow, it's really nice here, and even the color of you can see the combination of two ice creams. Like the combination of two ice creams is one plain vanilla ice cream and chocolate ice cream and chocolate sauce, and along with nuts. It's really an awesome making. And of course, see, I can't stop myself. Actually, I want to taste it now. So how can I taste? Is the combination of nuts is okay?
Yes, okay.
In nutty chocolate,
Yeah.
whatever I have told, is it okay?
It's okay.
Oh, so what you would like to tell all of the viewers, you know, like they are enjoying our video. Why? Because like so far we have seen a lot of videos, but they must be enjoying this video very much. So like what are the added flavors are actually?
Actually, it's basically some chocolate flavor.
Okay,
There's chocolates, nuts,
okay,
and it's a taste of two ice cream.
okay.
It's especially thick shake.
Okay.
Nutty
So
chocolate, thick
actually,
shake.
this is a thick shake. Even I have forgot to tell you one thing, that is, this is really a very thick shake, and you know, most of them, like who are all liking a thick shakes kind of thing. This is the best taste. Why? Because I can say you there are two combinations of ice creams here. One is plain vanilla and one is chocolate ice cream, and one more is nuts and along with chocolate sauce. So I think this time for me to taste the drink. So shall I? Yeah, sure. I think you are giving me the permission. So I'll take it and have it. I think you know you really enjoy this. Why? When I'm catching the bottle, frozen bottle in my hand, like this nutty chocolate, I think mouth is watering even for you also. So hope you guys all will come and enjoy, have a great taste of frozen bottle in nutty chocolate here. Really, you know, this is really an awesome drink. Why? Because the taste is really top of heaven. I think guys, you'll really enjoy the flavor of nutty chocolate. Why? Because there is a combination of plain ice cream and chocolate ice cream along with chocolate sauce and along with nuts. So, had a great taste. It's really yummy. Guys, why not you can come to a frozen bottle of Madhapur and have a great taste of nutty chocolate. So guys, for more videos, keep subscribing our channel, Myra Media, and for the best videos. I think guys, you're all enjoying our videos. So keep on rocking yourself and come to Frozen Bottle. This is Pedikeshwar signing off for today. Bye bye. Have a great day.